Hello dear viewers, welcome back to your channel Easy Education Online Academy. This is Masmali Ahmadi with series of Four Corners 2. Don't forget to like, subscribe your channel and share with your friends. سلام بیننده‌های عزیز به کانال Easy Education Online Academy خوش آمدید. من مسملی احمدی هستم با سلسله درس‌های از فور کورنر 2. فراموش نکنید که حتما کانال خودتان را لایک و سابسکرایب کرده با دوستانتان شریک بسازین. So let's get started the lesson. خب بریم که درس را آغاز کنیم. C. I would like to play chess. Okay? خوش دارم که شطرنج بازی کنم. Vocabulary indoor activities. فعالیت‌های درون خانه یا داخلی. Complete the phrases with the correct words. Then listen and check your answers. جملات را با کلمات درست تکمیل بسازین و بعد جوابایتان را گوش گرفته جوابایتان را بررسی کنین. A board game یعنی گیم های روی تخته‌ای. Chess شطرنج. Cookies کلچه. A crossword معمای کلمات است. درست است؟ کلمات خط میزنید تا یک کلمه را پیدا بکنید مثل این قسمت. jigsaw puzzle اینی پازل را jigsaw puzzle میگه. a nap خواب کردن یا چرت زدن. popcorn پوله. video game. So listen to these words, okay?
Lesson C. I'd like to play chess. Page 30. Exercise 1. Vocabulary. Indoor activities. A.
Bake cookies.
B.
Do a crossword.
C.
Do a jigsaw puzzle.
D.
Make a video.
E.
Make popcorn.
F.
Play a board game.
G.
Play chess.
H.
Take a nap.
Okay. So before you want to complete this one, you have to stop the video and complete. Then watch the video to complete that one, okay? So let's go with this one. Practice. Rank these activities from 1, it means fan, to 8, not fan at all. Then compare answers. Rank یعنی رنگ بندی کردن یا درجه بندی کردن. I do a crossword every day, so I think that's really fun. How about you? من crossword هر روز انجام میتونم. فکر میکنم که واقعا جالب هسته. شما چطور؟ I never take a nap. من هیچ وقتی چرت نمیزنم یا خواب مرغی نمیزنم. I don't think that's fun at all. فکر نمیکنم که در کل جالب باشه. It's my number 8. و این شماره 8 است. Got it? So like this you can make a lot of sentences. یعنی حداقل 8 جمله جور کرده میتونید. For example, you can say, I think I can bake cookies because I really enjoy. It is really fun for me to cook cookies at home. So it is number 1. مثلا. Okay? So let's go with number 2, conversation. It's raining. باران میباره. So listen to the conversation firstly.
Page 30. Exercise 2. Conversation. It's raining. Part A.
Oh no, it's raining.
We can't go on our picnic.
No. So, what would you like to do? Would you like to do a jigsaw puzzle?
Not really. Would you like to play chess?
Yeah, I would.
We can make some popcorn too.
Great idea. But let's play a little later.
Okay. Why?
I'd like to take a short nap.
Okay. So, oh, no, it's raining. Oh, nee, باران میباره. We can't go on our picnic. ما به ملی خود رفتن نمیتونیم. No. So, what would you like to do? خوش داری چیکار کنی? Would you like to do a jigsaw puzzle? آیا خوش داری که jigsaw puzzle را بازی کنی? Not really. نه زیاد. Would you like to play chess? آیا شطرنج بازی را خوش داری؟ Yeah, I would. بله دوست دارم یا خوش دارم. We can make some popcorn too. ما میتونیم که یک مقدار پوله هم بسازیم یا چی کنیم؟ جور کنیم. Great idea, but let's play a little later. بیا یکم بعدتر یعنی پسانتر بازی کنیم. Okay, why? خوبه. چرا؟ I'd like to take a short nap. خوش دارم یک کمک خواب کنم یا چرت بزنم. So practice this conversation with your partners. In number 3 grammar, would you like plus infinitive. بعد از کلمه would like شما میتونین to plus verb استفاده کنین. زمانی که infinitive میگه یا مصدر to plus verb استفاده میشه. درست است؟ مثلا what would you like to do؟ خوش داری چی کار کنی؟ I would like to play chess. خوش دارم یا میخوایم که chess بازی کنم یا شطرنج. Where would he like to play chess؟ خوش داره یا میخواه که کجا شطرنج بازی کنه. He would like to play right here. او میخواه که همینجا بازی کنه. Would you like to do a jigsaw puzzle؟ آیا میخواهی که jigsaw puzzle بازی کنی؟ Yes, I would. اگر جواب مثبت باشه Yes, I would. بله میخوایم. No, I wouldn't. نه خیر نمیخوایم. Would they like to take a nap؟ آیا آنها میخواهند که یک استراحت کوتاه داشته باشند؟ Yes, they would. بله میخواهند. No, they wouldn't. نه خیر نمیخواهند. So let's go. Circle the correct words. Then practice the with partner. اول کلمه درست انتخاب کنم. بعد از او با پارتنرتان تمرین کنین. مثلا Which game would you like play؟ اشتباه هست. چرا بعد از would like ما to plus verb استفاده کنیم؟ میگیم which game would you like to play؟ I would to play. پس I would like to play chess. خوش دارم که chess بازی کنم یا میخوایم chess بازی کنم. Would you like to do a crossword now؟ میخوای که امیال crossword انجام بدی؟ No, I don't. نه اشتباه است. No, I wouldn't. نه خیر نمیخوایم. چرا؟ چون با would سوال شده. I'd like crosswords. Okay? I don't like crosswords. crossword دوست ندارم یا خوش ندارم. What do you like to do now؟ درست است؟ میشه به شکلم بگین. What would you like to do now? Tonight. میخوای امشب چی کار بکنی؟ I would like to watch. I would like. نه I would to watch. I would like to watch TV with my friends. دوست دارم با دوستای خود تلویزیون ببینم یا تماشا کنم. So make true sentences with I would like to or I wouldn't like to. جملات بسازین با یکی میخواهین یا نمیخواهین. Tell your partner. مثلا I would like to have a class outside. میخوایم که صنف در بیرون داشته باشم. I wouldn't like to play chess after class. نمیخوایم بعد از صنف چیز بازی کنم یا شطرنج. I would like to stay in this weekend. Stay in this weekend. میخوایم که اخیر هفته اینجا باشم یا همینجا بمانم. I wouldn't like to take a nap right now. نمیخوایم فعلا که یک چرت بزنم. So let's go with number 4, pronunciation. تلفظ. Reduction of would like. Would you. کلمه would you را به شکل اختصار بگه. درست است؟ به شکل اختصار چگونه تلفظ میکنن. Listen and repeat. Notice how would you is pronounced. وجه. Okay? کلمه would you مثل کلمه وجه تلفظ میشه. خب بریم ببینیم.
Part B.
Great game, Joni.
Yeah.
Page 31. Exercise 3.
خب
Grammar.
بحث
Page
pronunciation
31.
رسیدیم.
Exercise 4. Pronunciation.
That's right.
Reduction of would you.
Would you like to play a board game?
Would you.
Which game would you like to play?
Understand? So, would you like to. پس کلمه would you را تبدیل میکنیم به شکل native speaker ها که تلفظ میکنن میگیم would you. Would you like to play a board game? خوشداری board game بازی کنی؟ Which game would you like to play? Which game would you like to play? خوشداری کدام گیم را بازی کنی؟ So, practice. Okay? پس به این شکل ای را زیاد تلفظ کنیم. مثلا زیاد جمله بسازین و زیاد پرکتس کنیم. Would you like to play video games? Would you like to have tea? Would you like to go out? Would you like to bring that for me? به این شکل. So, the next part is speaking. I'd like to look at these windows and describe the weather. با کلکینا ببینین و هوا را توصیف کنین. Then decide what would you like to do together to each day. Take notes. و تصمیم بگیرین که در هر یک از روزها با هم چی کار میکنین. یادداشت بگیرین. مثلا number 1 میبینین که چتر داره، باران است. پس چی است؟ It's cold and rain today. What would you like to do? امروز هوا بارانی و خنک است. خوش داری چی کار کنی؟ I'd like to do a jigsaw puzzle. خوش دارم jigsaw puzzle بازی کنم. How about you? شما چطور؟ I would like, okay, I'd like to stay home and take a nap. خوش دارم خانه بشینم و یک استراحتی کوتاه داشته باشم. So, like this, practice these two things, okay? با این دو تا جمله را شما در کامنت ها بنویسین. So I hope that you have learned something good. So don't forget to like, subscribe your channels, and also share with your friends. Have a great time. Good luck.